cheer for them. Grade 7, Grade 8, from the House of Eros, House of Dionysus, House of Hephaestus, House of Artemis, House of Athena, and the House of Zeus.
Our candidates return to the spotlight, not just to dazzle us with their beauty and divinity, but to inspire us with their words. Let us listen as they share their passionate advocacy speeches, championing causes close to their hearts.
And a gentle reminder to our dear audience, may we request that you wait until the speech is over before we cheer for our lovely candidates. This is to avoid any distractions to befall them. Class advisors, please also facilitate your respective teams. Hermes.
So, I want to talk about what I stand for. Now, I've seen many children my age, even younger than me, with a bright smile, yet a stomach that grumbles from hunger. This is not just a story. It's the reality for countless children living in orphanages around the world. This saddens me as my mother always does her best to protect these vulnerable kids. And I've seen firsthand the incredible efforts of their caregivers who strive tirelessly to provide proper food and nutrition despite the lack of resources. Their struggle is not enough. We must unite to advocate for better health and resources for orphan children. As Albert Einstein said, only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. And I thank you.
Mental isolation. Mental isolation is a state of feeling disconnected from others even when you're around people. It prevents us from seeking advice from those who can potentially help us overcome our depression. I would like to share a short story from my personal experience. I was once a very cheerful and open-minded student. But as time grew, I started transferring to new schools in new environments. I wanted to make new connections, new friends, and a new family. Of course, I did make connections and have a wonderful family. As time passed by, their true colors showed. They showed that they only wanted me because of my beneficial beliefs. I had the money and they wanted to be friends with me. They only wanted me to buy food, pens, or erasers. I fell into a huge depression and was feeling very low for months. I needed a new friend, so I started being cautious. I started being aware of others' actions. I found an amazing girl, which was named Zairis. She quickly became my friend and helped me to be comfortable in a new environment and to always embrace vulnerabilities. She helped me overcome these problems by always opening out her arms. Join us into telling our friends that they should feel loved and appreciated every single second of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, representatives from the House of Hermes. And now, let us hear the advocacy speeches from the House of Hestia.
Music connects people across cultures and generations, expressing emotion and stories that words often cannot. However, in today's world, music's timeless essence is at risk of being overshadowed by new trends. Listening to music is like ordering a meal in a fast food chain. New flavors will surface, favorites change, and trends quickly come and go. I've noticed how quickly trending songs fade away, like Die With A Smile was replaced by ABT in no time. I advocate for preservation of musical identity by embracing the melodies of our heritage. We honor our ancestors, inspire new generations, and embrace the rhythms and the harmonies that define us. Let's cherish our beautiful traditions and cultures to